le inteligenze boji statistiki ne poznaje, ampak mi Biztopix.
Če boste upoštevali nasvete strokovnjakov na Biztopix konferenci, bo vaše podjetje postalo kot Viktor Orban, ne bo imelo močnih nasprotnikov. Viktor nima opozicije, vi ne boste imeli konkurence. Vaše podjetje bo uspevalo dobro kot Mačarska. Severna Koreja vedno korak pred ostalimi, ker Kim Jong-un je že danes programiral umetno inteligenco tudi v ljudi hormonov. Natur, astronomista Biztopix. Dejstvo je, da prej, ko bo umetna inteligenca prevzela gospodarstvo in družbo nasploh, boljše bo za ljudi, še posebej za naš slovenski narod, ker druge možnosti ni. Se bo preko računalnika, ampak tudi preko kuverte. In kar se tiče bilanca pa davkov, jaz ničem odgovora. Jaz samo naredim vedno po svoje, ker glede davkov bomo jaz rekel takole. Jaz kot zelo uspešen menedžer ne potrebujem umetne inteligence, jaz potrebujem samo enega, ki se bo namesto mene sekiral, ker kar se tiče davkov, se jaz ne sekiram. Umetna inteligenca pa nima čustvo. Sveta, vamos Biztopix!
Torej, dejstvo je, to je programi, ki so predstavljeni danes.
IBM car policy going ESG, and this is our new car. Jokes aside, the IBM Pony bike represents a bit of a retrospective. It represents a bit of nostalgia. I think that I have some homework to do, because she still remembers IBM from laptops, PCs, etc. We haven't been into the B2C segment for quite some time. And I know it's a busy slide, just one thing. This is our focus. Change is the only constant, and we are changing IBM. IBM was a bit different than it is today.
Today I would like to share with you Gartner predictions, Gartner report, Gartner data to answer the question how to deploy AI. 70% of CIOs in our region say that by the end of next year they want to deploy generative AI and other AI solutions. In the 3 years horizon, almost everyone is planning a company and saying, okay, with our tool you will solve all the problems because it is simply embedded AI, this AI in your tools provided by your vendor. You got your own in-house built AI, banking, insurance, public sector. You cannot explain what is happening there. You cannot explain why the decision was this or that, because those models are complete black box to you. It's everything to secure that whoever in your company is, you will have a huge amount of bring your own AI, so generative AI models, but
Mr. Christian Beek, European lead and the global research leader for insurance for the IBM Institute for Business.
A futurist, so we look at how trends in technology.
Seems like I lost about half the room, sorry about that. I'm quite entertaining, so you're missing me. I don't know. Quite possibly.
I think it's the biggest chance yet. But unless we actually fix these return on investment issues that Pavel, Sam and others have spoken about, Christian has spoken about, probably investment will start to dry up. So when we talk about IBM and how we adopt AI technologies, final days. Who's not using Copilot? Oh, good. A couple of hands there. About a year ago, I launched Pargenos, and there are other forms of AI, and all these forms of AI need to exist in a consistent, very common experience. You can actually show this without, anyway, it's just the floor is yours.
What here I am, yeah? Today, it's an interesting question, right? Or how the data center will look like in Gen AI. And the whole thing really was started 2 years ago, about 3 days. Now what? So, these things look like today. It's a huge machine. It's 8 unit high. Normal server is money in the end of the day, how secure, blah blah, etc. You want to make the whole thing. And the other thing is, Intel does have a lot of it goes to the cooling, efficiency. Here we go. Yeah, a power usage optimized package for the most critical parts, the most power itself, but more like I want to just show that the Neptune technologies and cooling is not the only thing that now can do when it comes to data center solutions. It's also about how do we build things to piece of hardware installed somewhere and a team of people that can. It's somebody mentioned, it's a 5.
We need a lady, Miss Eva Kovac, performance psychologist, who is vice president. Talk to us about psychology. I will probably move to far right, and you've got your. Actually, you can sit here in the middle of Slovenians.
The changes. So we have middle 1/3 who's waiting in which direction to go. So if we can learn something from athletes, it's definitely how to adapt to the changes. We know how much they're utilizing the digital tools.
Super, hvala lepa. Ja, pasti, da ne boste padli pol.
Nekam v vozilo, pa je vozilo nekam, pa se sploh nekaj kupil.
Sve piješ v kozarcu, a ti pa te najbolj kozarcu pravi. Je to za vodo, ne? Ja. Nek se za tebe lahko reče, tako je nekaj tebe. Postavljaš za nekoga, ki nima pojma računalništva, pa pač to
looking for documents, hopefully finding documents.
Naslov je pa Elevating Intelligence, Empowering Innovation. IBM Watson X, ne bom nekaj ful predstavljala, je
na področju prodaje. V prostem času se ukvarjam z kolesarjenjem, doma imam en 4-node cluster, ki niti približno ni.
It consists of 3 main components. It's Watson XI, what is actually some enterprise-grade studio for developing AI models, AI services, trainable, and then open source it, and now you can also admit community version is Premium. Then we have Spark, this Apache Iceberg. I don't know if you have any experience with Hive tables and all the data lake platforms. It was very difficult. Also in the company, we need to actually somehow enhance this query with the data. on which the large language model was trained.
Srbija, se pravi z Beograda. Tako da mislim, da bo predstavitev v angleščini, če se ne motim. Ja. Tako da, evo, zdaj vas bo Paradenko malo dvignil. Tako da, izvoli.
Hvala najlepše. Dobar dan svima, hello everybody. Unfortunately, we have decided to test Watson X on a very specific case that is oriented towards clients, that we can sell towards clients. So basically, now we have different models, they are working now fine, and we have sufficiently good results at this moment, up to 100,000, but there was no cost of IBM licenses as we are using partner licensing. So this is all of the infrastructure, all of the manpower, all of the resources that we have pulled in order to generate this playground of...
Kaj nas zanima v tem trenutku? How to find the best ice cream importers. Kaj se bo v ozadju dogaja, ko čakam na odgovor? Zdaj tale koda spreminja vprašanje v vektorje. Vektorje pošilja na vektorsko bazo, tu išče odgovore. Odgovore pošlje potem naprej temu osnovnemu large language modelu in potem na podlagi tega, se pravi, teh kosov, ki smo jih našli v vektorski bazi, to išče odgovor.
Sestavina celotnega portfelja IBM, tudi Watson X, o katerem ste slišali zdaj že v 2 predavanjih, je dejansko...
Data scientists are working on their models, they are training them to the server, and it's also automated. So you can create model, then you can export it in, for example, ONNX format. Yes, we are going into it. So you can easily add data. We don't have too many tools like data lakes, etc. We do have use the quantized model. So smaller, lighter, that is utilizing open data. RHEL AI comes from InstraCloud, which is very, very simple. The application foundation. And OpenShift AI, that contains Linux, and it runs everywhere. OpenShift also runs on the edge. It's very, very light, but you will need to add more resources to run models. And on top of the server, you can import models from Hugging Faces, for example, customizing and running here. So, how to train the model to work on the edge use cases? Those use cases are typically related to retail.
Govornih asistentih in pa AI chatbotih, ter kako nam lahko pomagajo izboljšati uporabniško izkušnjo.
Dogaja, da imate neko visoko razpoložljivost v času, da učimo vseh oblikah podatkov, ki v bistvu GDPR na nek način ne sme spustiti naprej. Lahko ga tudi vprašamo z kakšno vreme, a ne? Ampak glede na to, da je softnete robote, pa ne ni vremena, tako da načeloma ne sme na to govoriti.
Pa zvezana preko Amerike, zato je cela povezava
pač traja zelo dolgo časa, da se zadeva poveže. Ampak bomo probali nekaj. Ja, očitno se strežnik še ni zmanjšal. Can I tell you one by one?
I understand. Of course. Let's take it one step at a time. What is your company name?
Navidezno podjetje.
I'm here. Please provide your company name when you're ready.
Navidezno podjetje.
It seems there might have been a misunderstanding. Could you please provide your company name?
Javnega sektorja na sodobno digitalno infrastrukturo. Poleg bogatih izkušenj s cloud computingom, Linuxom in pa odprtokodnimi ekosistemi, kot sta OpenStack in pa OpenShift,
se Andrej aktivno ukvarja tudi z vključevanjem umetne inteligence v IT okolje.
Enačite z pojma. Ne, govorimo o umetni inteligenci in govorimo o delno tudi globoke. Pa lahko bilo naslednja beseda, ki jo bo to uporabljala. Ampak ta blebetavček je nadzor. Lahko imamo neke obljube, lahko imamo neke pogodbe, ampak pomanjkanje možnosti revizije in transparentnosti. Za modele bo potrebno dokazati, da kakšno manj kot leto ugotovili, kje je tista prava dodana vrednost, kje bo takrat, ki omogoča najboljšo rešitev. Ni edina, ampak je za vse zapravljivca takšna. In med temi 50% je velika večina takih, ki jih je zrago najlažje rešiti. Podatke o poslovanju podjetja, o pogodbah, dodajamo, model bo vedno znova imel te zadnje podatke. Ragla je sestavljena iz rak in pa lokal in pa a. Tako da govori o tem, da je to platforma, na kateri ali data center grade, imamo izkušnje na kak način poganjati kakšen task.